yeah, it is beautiful in its own way here. All right, so it is about quarter of this morning, and it's quarter of 6, I'm sorry, and it's about 34.7 degrees out. So going to head out for a nice walk this morning. It's a little bit of precipitation coming down, so I'm gonna see if I need to bring my other. I'm gonna bring my other camera just in case I need to use it. But would love to use this one. It's got better footage, better quality footage. And then after that, I have a pull session, so gonna go ahead and do that. So thanks so much for coming along, and here we go. All right, here I am, top of the hill. What a foggy, socked in morning it is today. Oh wow. I can see myself now, so I'll start over. So here I am, top of the hill, and here it is, very foggy, socked in day. Yeah, one of those days. A little bit of snow was coming down earlier, but now it's pretty clear. So yeah, a whole lot of nothing to show here, but made it up. Another good hill climb. Calves were burning, and yeah, it is beautiful in its own way here. I'm shooting in regular mode, by the way, 4K, 60 frames per second, and it's picking up everything nicely, it seems like. Okay, well, continuing onwards, I'm going to head back down, do my pull session, and continue on with my day. All right, here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I've been coming up with some concepts about my workouts, and one of the things I'm realizing is that, you know, a lot of this calisthenics stuff, especially the aerial stuff, I guess, freestanding handstand push-up, the planche, even like back lever and front lever, these things really affect the shoulders. It's hard to isolate different parts of the shoulders, but I'm starting to wonder if maybe my pull routine also has something that's really hitting the front shoulders, which is my back lever attempts. Kind of realized that last week when I tried to do some out in the outdoors. I was up on the top of the hill there doing some back levers, and I realized that as I watched my shoulders try to recover over the next couple of days, that it was a lot of soreness in the front of my shoulders. So I am considering moving my back lever work, splitting my back lever and front lever work to separate days, basically putting the back lever work onto my my push day and my front lever work onto the pull day, leave it on the pull day. So just some ideas. I might try that out next week. I'll finish this week up and then see if that makes any difference next week. So a nice walk and hike this morning up the hill. Did a distance of 8.4 miles, time of 2 hours 22 minutes and 36 seconds, pace of 16 minutes 59 seconds per mile, and burned up 859 calories and did 15,308 steps. So yeah, very nice hike this morning, and not much to see out here this morning, but good start to the day nonetheless. Okay, so that was a good workout. That was a good one. Yeah, and I'm realizing that I think I do a lot of shoulder front deltoid work in this back lever, front lever routine that I'm doing. I'm doing an attempt at a full back lever to start, and then I'm doing half back levers twice, and then I'm only doing the front lever really I'm doing some negatives, some supposed to be slow negatives in between those, but it's not really that slow. And then the last hold is a full, trying to fully hold the front lever there. So yeah, I'm thinking next week I'll try to split it up. I'm going to try to do the rings routine on every workout, but I'm going to do focus on back levers during my push days, and then front lever during the pull days. So yeah, we'll see how that works out next week. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and feel free to comment, subscribe down below if you're interested in barefoot style shoe hiking, and also calisthenics and animal-based diet. Then yeah, feel free to comment and subscribe. Okay, thanks so much, and I'll see you during the next activity. Okay, bye-bye.